Thanks for all the feedback thus far. I think we're done with development of the website. There might be some little tweaks and changes we need to make, but I just wanted to go over the functionality for your customers and for you as an administrator. So we're on the home page here. You can see the slideshow will change every few seconds. So up in the main menu, you have your subcategories as drop downs, so people can go right into certain sections. You've also got your contact page, and your search features up at the top. So customers can log in and register if they'd like to place a quote and then log back in to place more quotes. They have the option to register or log into an existing account. Right below the login and register, we have the search field. So we can search for side tables, and it's going to pull up all your side tables. And there's multiple pages here, so there's 31 results, so we can see the additional results pages, all 31 for the side table results. So when clicking on a category, if I click on category for a side table, it's going to bring me to basically the same page with all your side tables in the category. And in the sidebar over here on the left, you have your categories, and if they click, they can expand into the subcategories. You also have your product selection options, Benjamin Moore colors, Plexiwood colors, your finishes, clear acrylic, matte, eggshell, and gloss. We added matte. Your hardware, clear, silver, gold, and other. So those are all categories within the site that your products are tagged to. So product materials, we have acrylic, wood, and wrapping texture listed. Product features and shipping information. So let's go into a product. I'll start building a quote for this Art Deco side table. So we have all the modifications made, the price up at top in big in green. You actually do have multiple images on this product. So your product description is here. We added the customize in 4 to 5 weeks, proudly made in the USA. And then your product options, so a customer can set a width and height and depth, the hardware they want. If they wanted to look up a hardware ID number, they could do that as well. Let's say 23E08585 brass. Color selection, we can do Benjamin Moore or Plexiwood. If we do Benjamin Moore, it asks them to put in the color ID based on the Benjamin Moore options page that they can then load, which goes to the Benjamin Moore website. So the finish, we added the drop down back, so now you can either select the image or you can select the drop down. Same goes for wrapping. If you put linen, it will select the image. And below that, the text you had us put in, and ask for quotation. So by clicking the ask for quotation button, that will bring us to the beginning of the quote system, where the customer can see the different products they've added during this session on the website, along with the options that they put on it. So once they have all their products selected for the quote, they can continue with the quote. And in this section, we'll ask them for their contact information, company name, phone, email address, and whether or not they would like to create an account to come back and add more quotes. They can also enter additional information. And once they're done with that, they're not required to put payment in because it's a quote only, and they can submit the quote. So then it shows their quote has been received. Thank you, your quote has been received, and a couple bits of information about the billing address. So looking back, as an admin, you're going to receive this email. We customized this a little bit as well. So it uses your same colors. You receive the following quote with the quotation number and a little image of the product there and what the customer selected for the customizations. So this will come to you when someone places a quote. So let's go back